Oh, senior, how about the rain? Come on. Give me a bag. I say a bag look heavy. How was the day at work? You know, so I cook your favorite. As a matter of fact, my hair pan was short. I'm have a good evening plan for you today. Come on.
Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimmy the man! Jimmy!
Yo, General.
Come here, link boss. I got me.
You know, say I did me day upon a little, I did that thing.
So I got man.
That's the word. That's the word. They come on.
I am a boss. Link him up. Link. Link.
This morning.
Babes, you know, say I have to just jump in on them early, man, because that's how the thing go down there, so, you know. Yeah, man, I jump in early, you know, I can go down and sit down and relax and ease myself, and then, you know, say in the evening time, I can left early too. You understand? Yeah, man, but I don't know, man, I soon forward, man.
Babe, nobody got no work today. Right now, I'm in a mood and, you know, so we are working on something for a long time, so come on, nobody got no work. They said, you know, come meet your road. Alright, may I come? Me know. Alright. You know, me cook dinner, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, but more, you hurry up and shower.
Yeah.
And eat. And I have something for you.
Talk about that, you know, babes. What you have for me, you know?
It's a weird step, baby. You'll find out soon enough. James.
Go on, babes.
Do you have something to tell me?
How that? I don't know what you're talking about. What you talking about now?
You sure about that?
Yeah, man.
James. What is this? Oh. So your son start your liberty now, you're dumb. I can't talk. Alright, so. James, what is?
What days you have one paper flashing here? Oh, if you know what? I can't know what that. I just see paper flash.
You got that of your result. And you hide it from me. So and I'm in this relationship and you're alone. Let me try to see. Because whatever I read from this paper, you have to be certain. You have to be sure about this. Come talk to me, come in if you know if I see right, come in and read this with no glasses, you know. And for you have carrot vision, 20-30 vision, something. No, no. Talk.
Babes, you know, say, tell you the honest truth. I just forget to tell you. Because you want now, the day when me carry up, you know, when me come in with it, you never there, you're the Ghana market the day. So, and me come in with it and then now rain a fall. So, me just go put it down in there. And then now me have to go deal with the animal and now me say, you know that. But, so when me come back up, God know me never remember you, man. But me never do hide it from you, man. Me have to show you it. Me have to show you that, man.
You see what your results say? I don't even know if I see right to granny back foot. No, sir? 0.00. Them are 0 longer than my bank account number to granny. No, sir?
Babes, you don't have to go on, so man. Take time to talk, no, man. I don't like they say we don't have no chance. We still have a chance, and you have to have faith in, man. We still have a chance, man. Nobody go on some man and make it look some man and make it look bad all for me too. You don't have to make me look so bad, babes, man.
But James, we have planned this for years. Months, sleepless nights, all this.
You want me, I know, babe. The sun I get red from where so. So make it grow now back for a reason, now cool shit.
Take a picture.
Yes, just want you to know, say, I know hide me eye nothing from you, know. Yeah, me have it, but here want now. And me know what go on, and me know, say, a long time we have planned this thing. God know me, I tell you, so I never even know how to put it here when we get it. Yeah, but me just want to find a right time and the right place and space, you know, to make you know the right thing. And but I don't hide nothing from you, man. And we'll make it thing happen. Yeah, we'll make it happen, man. Anyhow we can make it happen, we'll make it happen.
Make it happen. Them a 0 and 1, a 0-0 at the lower piece of chance. So much, look much pill we take. Where we have to go now? Are that baby? That is low, you know?
But babes, you can't just give up, so man. You can't just give up, so you know. Remember say all the reverend to come pray for we all and something, you know, man. We can't just give up, so man. We have our roots can drink to, you know. And the herbal doctor then we can check to, you know. We can't give up, so man.
James,
we give up, so man.
You know, look how long we are in a relationship now. You know, say it was I'm a dream to become a mother. Me go college, me focus, me do everything step by step, take it easy. Everything to become a mother. And this now, I wonder if I punish me.
But I just, you know, I don't...
James, let me ask you a question. Suppose I couldn't have no pitney and you want a son, your last opportunity to have a son. What you would do?
Come on, babe. If I die in that case, we done married already, you know. So, I would just forget that and move on.
That's all lie. How do we wicked, so man? You mean to tell me say you get a son yet and show me can't have pitney, you gonna stay with me? Oh no wicked and lie now? Hold that.
No, babe, so you go on, so man. Calm down, man. I tell you, if you have faith in a man. Calm down.
Yo, Stefan. Hello? Yeah, maybe I wonder if I can call in here later. Alright.
Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, she's here, man. Yeah, I'm aware of it, man. She's here, man, and all that we're here, man. A matter of fact, we just want to say a whole little reason to, so we're here, man. Yeah, a matter of fact, I'm going to remind her right now, too. Alright, yeah, man, thank you very much.
Go on, Chris.
I'm there, you know, where say I go on with. Long time I don't see you, you know. Thing good here.
So what happened? You don't miss me?
Boy, I be right now to let you miss everything about you. Too long I don't see you, it's like you move off a face like earth, you know. Too long I don't see you, and so I realize say you live comfortable happy life, you know, so you can't stress anything, you know, so you just go and hold me one down.
You know, say, I saw a problem I had on my yard, but I don't want to help. For a long time I work for it, it's like, nah, happen.
No, so but this not sound good. So you live happy married life and have problem in it?
Even happy marriages have problems, and not everybody perfect. As a matter of fact, me and James good, but I want to look a problem we have down our yard, and I'm not going to go to go ask anybody because I don't trust them like that. I did this so I can come to you, come ask you about this problem, or I can help me with this problem.
Well, no, you still not tell me a problem because you still a grow on and come on like I said, a burden upon your head. So tell me a problem because if me can't be more to help you, you know, so just tell me a problem.
Alright. For a while now, me and James I try make a family. Right, so we take medication, we go doctor, we take all kind of thing, and it's like it not work. So me just come to you now to see if you can help me out, because I don't know what else to do, who else to turn to but you. I start so, I'm done. Why? The woman I can't tell what it is. Little, you know? Little, there's so much in that.
You know, come eat a little breakfast and I look bored around there. All the tea around there are cold, you know.
Can you say something I do? You can't talk about me coming, you know.
But babe, you don't want the tea free and the breakfast cold out around there, man. You better you come get it hot. But anyway, still, since I say, that can't work.
I said early zaman udah dia smoke ganja man. I will live on this, me see what I know. You can find something you should do, man. You should do, man, find something, man.
Morning, sir. So who you? God, me see you just up like you're a pastor with Bible in your hand. Pastor supposed to approach people better than that, you know. So, me not understand you. You come out say you do godly work and them the way you talk to people, man. Me not understand you, man.
Good morning. I'm sorry, sir. I apologize to you, you know. So, I invite you to church, no? I invite you to church, you know, so when you come to church, instead of you sit down, remind me, pass me, see you there, rub your little weed and things. So instead of you sit down, so now, come to church. Right, sir?
Morning again, Pastor. I have a question for you, you know. See? Suppose when you did young, you have a girl, and a man take him away from you. See? Turn around, married her. See? Leave her house with her and thing, and when you check it, that man now come round a pop style on your road and then wait it. You know? Then the CMB now I come back to you to get her pregnant. And hold on the pastor, I left out something to you know. See? I don't want the man don't want to breed her, you know. See? I can't breed her. See? What you done do, pastor? Just tell me. Tell me what you done about that. Come in and know me. Just tell me.
See, when we was a young boy, I take our man and breed our man. No, in my church, I preach God word, I'm mother with that. Right? You see that situation you find out to me, my youth, if I know, I have nothing to do with that. Right? No.
But babes, you know something I like when you look so, you know. You know, she say, you hear one touch up, man.
James, is that sweet, my sweet?
You have got to touch up a little more, man. I want to see here a flash around me, you know. You hear?
I'm not talking, man. I'm not in a heat. So anything I do inside, go and work inside. You know what you want.
Yes, you know, say from what you know and talk to you. Yeah, man, because you know, say you give me one attitude from what you I wonder, I want me to you. Can't talk to me for anything, you know, man. I remember say, if I don't know if I look a result thing, I make your head stir up still. But anyway, remember say, Pastor will come still, so I'm come pray for you and give you a counseling. You understand? So, if I that, I'm going to make your head work too much over that. Here.
Well said, Pastor, man. Well said, because that the answer me I look for still, you know. You know? Because guess what? You're not even in a situation, so you can't say anything. See? But if you tell the truth, that I go on, so that's why I feel I go and burn my herbs, you know, and go on while I medicine.
No, man. You don't have to burn no way. I invite you to church. Can I show you a better way, man? Right? Come to church.
Yeah, man, me here. So, I went off your church, and which part of your church I keep, you know?
Right down my Broughton Road there. Nice square there. Right, sir?
Yeah, man, me here, Pastor.
James, I don't really think I understand, you know. I swear I don't think you understand how I feel. Right now, I'm in a mood, so just go on back inside, yeah? Me sleep on the face. Peace, man, peace, and quiet. Please. Do you think the pastor can help we in our way?
B, one thing in here too negative, you know. You know, if it's so negative, you know. Because you want now, we have a lot of things can work, you know, a lot of things can happen. We have mental things, we have working. Yeah, Pastor. Yeah, man, welcome, man. Welcome, man. You can come inside, man. Come out to your son, Pastor, man. Yeah, man. Have a seat. Have a seat.
So, what do you do now, man?
Good,
You know that, man. Everything alright?
Pastor, we're there, you know. We're there going easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we just there going enjoy the cool breeze. I just can't see sun hot, you know. So, you know, I feel there we just go and hold it, you know. Yeah, man.
That's good, man. That's good. That's good. Right, man, right. I understand now how the issue is going, right? So, when you show it to me, you what going?
So, babe, you want me to tell him or you want to tell him?
Tell him.
Yes, Pastor. You want now? A long time we are trying to start a family, Pastor. Long time we there and we try everything and it does not work out how we want it to work out.
Pastor, you need to put half of the story. So when you first start talk, you usually drink rum, you smoke all the soda, them in the panel like water, and nobody couldn't talk to him. See then now, and he make me can't get pregnant. I notice sun change in my bedroom. Normally, James, if you're honest with yourself for what I see, for you start smoke and drink up and sitting them, you're different, you're changed. There's a two. If me can feel it, you can feel it, because your body.
That's nothing know about that, man. You have to go so far in, I think.
Let me talk. You want Pastor to come here? So I'm talking in peace. You want me to breathe in peace?
You don't have to worry, man. You don't have to worry, you know. Just go easy, man, and things will work. You never try artificial insemination. Never try?
So, you're not Christian, so Christian are supposed to against that. How you talk about artificial insemination?
The Bible don't have nothing to do with that.
As a matter of fact, I don't want to go the road there. I want to have everything natural. You can't. That's not my league right now.
But if that you want, that's your choice.
I don't see how sitting here talking to this man I go help with anything. I don't even know if a man have picked me. James, I'm tired. I work for a morning. I need a shower. I want to cool off. I want to rest. I want to sleep. So I'm matter of fact, I'm going inside.
No babes, you're not fair going, so man. I need the Pastor come to talk to us. Pastor, now watch that, yeah.
You have to be careful with that woman there, no? That boy, that woman there, if you don't mind, somebody will breathe it you.
Yes, Pastor. So you see you're leaving now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Take care of yourself.
Have a good evening.
Alright, sir. And you too. And the rain are coming up, Pastor, so hurry up and make it catch you, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You have to travel with umbrella when you are coming.
Actually, no, man. Like you rain how far with you. I see if I can reach up for you rain.
Yeah, then time, you know, Pastor. Yes, Pastor. Hurry up, man. Have a good evening.
Yeah.
Chris, 2 weeks now, you know. I don't know, I can't see no system. As a matter of fact, just take a pregnancy test. I wait upon the result. Negative. So you know what that means? You have to do this again.
Well, alright. So what you say, Adi? You can't check me or check you?
Me arrange the time, man. Me call you. Alright.
Alright, look a bit then. Yeah. Cool.
B, how are you in the salon, man? How are you going with? How are you do? In the salon, man.
Then me just tell us I'm go bed. Handle me head.
B, me out there with the pass of about 45 minutes to an hour, you know. Yeah, man, but me I say, I look here when me talk to you about you going in there and touch up. Why you not easy, you know?
What happened? You want to see? I feel you're sitting there, I can't take from the door.
So, I know for your house too. My hair look nice too.
That's what I like.
So, you know, I like everything about you a long time, and I know.
We'll play till you can prove it. I grew up with a girl in Angel, so come back.
Why you too? You say you're tired. I say you're going to road. It's not easy.
How you tax them there? Sure. What time place that? Cause you come like say place that go like pan we know. Tell me can look so.
Girl, from other day I try to get pregnant and at 2 weeks now I don't know see no symptoms, nothing. I don't know what to do. I even take a pregnancy test and it's negative. But some people say sometimes I think it's not accurate. Boy, I just feel like I give up on this whole being a mother situation.
You know what I say? Since I just say I take a pregnancy test and it come negative, you can't try after 5 days time and see what you say. When I try to get pregnant, you know, and 1 month before I start seeing any symptom, you know, every minute as I want to go to the bathroom, go vomit, and a big green man come want, you know. Yeah, only pass up, yeah, man. But I can't give up on being a mother. And me tell you already, just try pregnancy test 5 days after and you see a result. But so one taxi will come. Taxi! Taxi! Anyway, also, you want to your sister, right here? Take it easy, because you know, say for stress, you only got me to worry. But what you can do is, me tell you for experience, you can blend up some juice game, you can as me did I say, you can blend up some juice game, you can switch up your position them, because you can't go on with the one bag of same position them, you know. You have to switch them up. But anyways, me run go up here, so here me link you. Alright, thank you. Later.
GMs! I'm going to do a lap. I'm going to finish it, please.
Go on.
Oh yeah, girl, let you go so.
Yeah, I say, baby, man, then you call me there, I wait for you. Right now, I have to move, go to the road, you know, because I have something I have to deal with.
No, B, you can't leave, you know, so we have something to deal
You want to know, what I go deal is very important. So I have to go up the road. But we are going to deal, can't deal to come home, man. I soon come back. I not spend more like at least 1, 2, 3 hours deal with that. So I have to deal that. I come back 3 hours. Soon come back, man. We can't deal that. Come back, man. Here.
Really? Like really?
How this? How? Yo, where you going with that now?
James says I'm not going for 2 to 3 hours, so you have to come now.
No man, me can't link you off your yard, man. You're mad, man. Say no spot me, man. You don't know spot yourself, sir.
Wow, you're not going to trick him. I wonder what you're not going to trick him.
Sash.
Ratted. Hey, all husband included in there. No, they want it too nice, my God.
Yeah, man, like right now.
Alright. Yeah, man, give me 5 minutes, me I come. Yeah, man. Alright.
Aye.
That was my phone there. Yeah, I left it down there to start. Yeah, no. I get, once I set the gate up, I go on right now. So yeah, how fast you pass this? All you do a lot. Sash! Sash! Oh, I go on in there. Sash!
Yes, you're rude. I'm not wearing no. Get in that color.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oi, sorry I know my name so far. What me I know?
Me don't ask if you have good night on.
Yeah, me I go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I the money I save up from school.
So what on there? So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure not plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of my place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to come back off the road and you know something. And I'm going to come see nobody in my yard and you know something. Because I'm tired
But
to
me not
talk to
go
you.
nowhere. Me just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss so.
If you like give me something to talk about and cuss every day about, Mona just a cuss, I get up and cuss like my mad so.
But mommy, me simply ask you somebody come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
I come go in now. Me simply ask you if you go somewhere come want to buy something for me. I come go. No, babes, I can't come now. My mother there, so me I go tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. I can't come. Alright? Love you too.
Again!
At the end? Oh, you're there.
Chanel,
Yeah?
come here there. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So, I'm going to go and soon come. I'm going to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? I'm there, there I go.
Your mother don't yard them young go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how to live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially I just like you because I hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Hey man, she come like a sister to me. Red Chanel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell herself to take out the chicken. Remember to take out the chicken and take out the clothes off the line. Here. Alright, I'm going to be able to save till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures. I mean, show me what I'm coming to. And I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in and bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you?
I just see your mother up the road.
She said she go in her town, sir. I'm supposed to go in her town, you know. I never know say you stop by.
So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes off the line. So where you go?
Girl, I tell you say that told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you talk about? Everybody just watch me so. And me alone can't go do nothing.
Excuse me, I don't have food now, so we can eat.
I'm cool, girl. Long time no see you.
Long time no see you too.
Oh, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good one.
Long time no see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much progress behind it.
have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if she does stop by. But I'm not that fat still. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see one can't see it for me.
Friend does stop by. I never know if she does stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop a seat, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! Chanel! Chanel!
Shall I call you?
Chanel!
Yeah!
Chanel!
Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there?
Man, take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should have allowed the lawyer. You can't get to me and help them. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and guani.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun act and talk about rain and go fall.
But they're nice, man.
Me have more around there now, so look at juice here.
Thanks. I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Sun draws me up and little clothes and me I take up and want to sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
I told the time they look overcast. I want to sleep.
You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't see me at the house. So hurry now. Good dirty boy when she want to go read. Mwana, bola bola no. Mwana, if I'm that even moving now. I see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom. How are you talking about, Abby? After I'm not going to do nothing, I'm not going to town, I go. You hear me? I want you. The man that can't give you nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want you and a workless man that. Him workless.
Me I come going here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl and told me not going to do nothing.
She's not there here. Look, if you go to another mother. Because she done broke up in nose and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I tell me for idiot. You come here and call me and you know so she's not there. How for this? Most of the boy that made this up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there. No, you know. No, if you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me like it when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. They say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something man. You're gonna have me and for your money by it.
Just me a real joke.
Money for fix on my TV. Even I know one I gonna get me 30,000 fix on my TV, but I want it back, you know. Guess the TV around there, so I'm my little fun and enjoyment. That to you, me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I long enough come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Cause you little pitney. I know say he's very prime. Come, hey, I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Like I can't fool she's not war over and mash up all my TV. What really a fight over? You talk to me.
You want me tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened?
It's not matter if you want to talk about this. You don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on. Yep, when you plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what going on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down 10 in here. When I have to go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must fool she soon now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I fool she soon now war over and mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know man? Fly higher, fly low, not forget about that.
Hello?
Hello?
Sorry for the fight. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time.
Understand that, girl.
Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, not have to spot.
Yeah, and out there can come. Alright.
Alright.
No, I know.
No, someone wanted.
How about that now?
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, breed?
Yeah.
After the same dirty boy me that one about?
Yes, you see one.
Me tell about him, you know? Me tell about him. So your mother know about this?
My mother can know about it. Remember, say me young. My mother can't know about this.
So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away?
Me I keep it. I don't have no money for that straight pitney, so.
So you feel like you're ready for one pitney?
I'm not ready for that pitney because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what time it is.
The best advice me can give you after dash it away right now.
I don't have no money. You give me some money?
I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do.
Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work. Plus, girl, my mother can't.
So what you gonna do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage.
Girl, right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
I mean, don't me do that one about the boy. Me tell you.
Babes, what going? But then, you don't miss me? Yeah, I miss you too. You don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me, because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there, where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you gonna do, I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see, I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you want to be able to, you have to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say, my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even knows this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you little girl, man? I don't tell her the field.
Madam, hello? Hello? May I come to mother, yeah?
Remember, if I talk to her about the situation, if I not want, she plan to put you out, I can come stay with you.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you, I'm not trying to say this left yard. Eh? Much I'm telling you left yard. Anyway, my friend there, when I was going to go to the I collect little food for me.
Should I know this, sir?
I want you to link her because I have a piece of money I want to go collect for me, you see?
Alright.
Hello? How are that, you know? Alright.
Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Nothing, no. So I wait to look on my phone and I as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well, as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see night. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See, the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out how you're up to, you know, I must find out here. You say, any day, name day, I find out say a man you have, little girl. Let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me don't even talk. You say, if you ever breed now this girl, I tell you something, your grandpeople, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got town go sell bag juice because you're not staying here with it. And that may I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for do in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think so me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there, be something. Now call her come back here.
I smell. Hello? So me a call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me have sex, me a call you nah answer you for me nah get you. What happen? But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? See that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something I check on the phone. Something I check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the side wait for you all long. So here what? See paper the information. We're going to call it the something. 160,000. Not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me? I tell you go on and come back.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it? Girl, not for me if you tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother.
But girl, I can't keep this fella, I can't keep that secret to your fella. I say your belly I go show you know.
Mother don't let you girl, come like you want my mother to hear.
You stand there. You're lucky on me. Anyway, take it to I go find her.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now?
I mean, I'm need to change my dress. I'm going to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, I don't know nobody saying I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, how are you? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell them the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
Girl, I feel like something for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what?
The pregnancy for dash with the belly.
Girl, I'm mad. I'm
and me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out. But just to ask, anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me to ask. Okay, I know you could have never asked that. Anyway, that is a stupid question.
Dean! Yo, Dean! Yo!
Huh? Sure.
Dada. John.
Yo, today you tell me, my youth. No bother with that, no bother with that, Today you tell me,
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I don't feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? But yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, isn't it? And right now on a live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, what go on? I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me, because my girl for deal with something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until that time, I tell you honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day store this, I today I want the money, I today, Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I not get my money still. My youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all know. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you, say, oh, my girl I forward in today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask you, you see me? I don't know if you go on so dog, I mean, the me about me a business dog. Watch nothing man, I sort out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time you a friend.
Yeah, you know. But I just saw you deal with things, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, You say you don't want me loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, I can't believe you do me this. Me you apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say, oh man, I come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me a word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know, say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I don't say if nothing probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me everything prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get the thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? Now go there right now, so I'm not going to wait for
that. That's how I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, just know it go. Here we go. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when we come back, I don't want not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. You sort out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me spit a gun, it never reach in 15 minutes, dog. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say how or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because look like you dig your own grave. Know yourself. 2 hours time.
I did this, you know. But, yeah. Yeah, B. Boy, some food in the bag. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in idea? Yeah, man. Give me a link in idea, man. Isn't it? I want to chat to you about something. See if I can reach my foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. I don't know what you mean. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in, you see me I say? I just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now when you're ready to move, you know.
Come in like mommy, you know. It's a story the mango them say when man got done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, me have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. Alright. If you need to know me, I have a situation and I have a surgery for you.
Where's this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Man, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, same thing happened to mommy, man. Same thing.
Is you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
Never sleepless night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, good job. Yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? Oh, some man just run for you. The money thing there, do you get the money? Oh, I never get none, John. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, I don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. Yeah, I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything are good. Alright. No watch that.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send her the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good, you know? You girl there.
I remember to pay your mother the money.
Yeah.
Now go down and change and come.
Yo. I know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. No, say you're breathing. I know your mother find out. I know you're underage. So here what you going to do? I know if you have collecting some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you what to work. Now here what I got. I know if you're getting some money, you know. So here you going to do. I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, as a matter of fact, I tell you this, a life and death thing this is going to reach, you know. Just make sure you do what I tell you, see me? I'm serious them way the man, you're dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man? Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Hey, baby, come as fast as I could want.
You know, you know, say, there's a piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over iPhone. Eh? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, there's a 50 grand, I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what me I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm going to tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it here, man. Me find out the deals. Everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know, so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then I move a type of way, you see me?
But differently not be, you know, so I think of some sort out you want, you can call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still, no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try that.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What the fuck coming?
You're dead!
Yo, that's man, come across me. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me a fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me a fool you. Me just run come did something, so I just touch it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up at the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
Brother, it sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are deal with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all your nests, you know. Yo, which color you talk about?
You know there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which color me. I only color me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going and say daddy. I mean I tell you, I not seen upon a while go chase
you
dog.
could mad.
I tell you say at the end of the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with it and we couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? We can't explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? A whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? And I make sure so I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because I'm that one stress more off my brain. So I have to just go easy, man. You see me? You don't have to bother with the one bag of loud noise, brother, and something, brother. You see me? Here we go. See there? The two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone I'm a car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I look weird say put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head because sometimes let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this card. No sir. No women the money.
They sound like it. They sound like it. Cause here now, mark my words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say, put the money under the mattress. What about not coming about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. I say, I'm going to ask Chanel. I say, I'm going to ask Chanel. I'm going to ask you the same thing.
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner just for me the money on that mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl that go take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and her blouse and skirt and all. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look at girl, my money there. You don't know spend my money. Where you say you don't do it? I better say I murder you in this. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl me say my money there? You don't know spend my money there. Hey, me you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need let me cry. You're pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me I saw? Breathe out, why you fi breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notification.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look who you can put on me, but nobody knows
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
How you mean? How you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see, it's still this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, I don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Easy yourself, man. Big up AV, big up Akeem, big up Akeem, you have to big up yourself, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister them same way, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, guys, you know?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the 1 Saviour and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them when I look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the fair, you know about that.
And action. And action.
Well, I'll pause it cool. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone.
See them need to do nothing.
You need to do nothing now? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
She come here.
Action.
Stop that shut.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Remember tell yourself she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going on. You know, say I have to run.
When I want.
It's like me.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't see she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. Action.
I know say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I would want that.
Yes, people, board grant once more. I'll tell you if you check into AVTV. You don't know. Over here, so there. Yeah, man, in the east. Yeah, I want you to see what I go on because I'm put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know. Your boy, Board Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, don't listen.
Don't say.
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But that's not
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to, no? So yes, people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and you subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense to you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see. Will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works, because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for you follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. And then I big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.